as they say, there is always some thinking out of the box which any tax professional is required to do. And I had occasion to deal with a very interesting issue arising in the context of the provisions of Section 87 capital A of the Income Tax Act, which entitles an individual who is a resident in India with the benefit of tax rebate, subject to the condition that his total income does not exceed rupees 7 lakhs. Now, in my CNBC program of Tax Guru, I was encountered with a very absorbing issue where a trader from Karnataka raised this question that he had business income of around 5 to 6 lakhs of rupees and he had agricultural income of 8 lakhs of rupees. Now the non-agricultural income is less than 7 lakhs. The agricultural income, if added to the non-agricultural income, would be 13 or 14 lakhs. Obviously, no tax is directly payable on the agricultural income, but agricultural income is to be taken into account for rate purposes. So the question arises that when you have to compute this limit of 7 lakhs, number one, whether this agricultural income would be required to be considered, and in such a case, whether the taxpayer would be entitled to the benefit of rebate or not. Now, answering to my friend, the viewer, who raised this very interesting question, for which I did a little bit of research also, and I found a logical answer that under the provisions of Section 10, subsection 1, agricultural income is per se exempt. So when the income is exempt, in fact you show the agricultural income where in your ITR you show it under Schedule EI, exempt income. You don't need to show it under any of the 5 heads of income. So that means agricultural income is not part of a taxpayer's total income. So once your total income is less than 7 lakhs and does not include any agricultural income, you can have any amount of agricultural income. Technically, you would still be entitled to claim the benefit of tax rebate. Of course, what would happen in this situation is that when you will compute your tax, considering the agricultural income for rate purposes, there will be, depending on, in this very case, 5 to 6 lakhs, and you add 8 lakhs to that. So then you have to work out the tax and then take out the rebate for what you are entitled to on agricultural income, and then you work out your net tax payable. So from the net tax payable, in this case, I gave the answer to my friend that you would certainly be entitled to the maximum rebate of up to rupees 25,000, which you are entitled to claim under the provisions of Section 87. The 87A says either the actual tax payable or a maximum of 25,000 can be claimed by way of rebate, subject to your total income being less than 7 lakhs. So I think many a times, we find an answer to a very absorbing question by going through a very logical process of thinking.